Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more and Emerson's Adventures. They do not have a co-host this week, so it is freestyle. So come along with me as I show you my black round tablescape decor for this tablescape on Tuesday. And I have done this tablescape in my outdoor living area. It is a round table and it is black, so I wanted to give you some ideas on how to decorate a round table. And I don't know how many more of these beautiful days we're gonna be having, so I decided to go ahead and take advantage of this one. I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor and more and Emerson's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of this Tablescape Tuesday. I will be leaving the ladies' information in my description box, so you all make sure you go over and check out their channel. And now I'll tell you a little bit about the tablescape I have put together here. The large black bowl you see here is from Goodwill, and the greenery inside is also from Goodwill. This is a very budget-friendly tablescape. So the candle holders here were a Goodwill find, which was, I've had them forever, and I just went in and took a old sock and sponged them, painted them white to give them that weathered look. The two statues here, I can't remember where I purchased those. The necklace, which is the beaded around each of the necks here, are from Dollar Tree. The little stars you see here are also from the Dollar Tree. My table runner is actually a sheer curtain that I have bundled up and used it as my runner. The beautiful glasses you see here are also Goodwill finds, and they are beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my plate setting. The black chargers you see here are from Hobby Lobby. The beautiful Martha Stewart plate you see here was from Goodwill. This plate sells for $49, I think it was, and I paid $2.99 for it. I have layered it with a white plate, also from Goodwill. And on top of that plate, I have used the Martha Stewart bowl. And I think they were like $29, and I paid $1.99 each. On top of that, I have place my napkin, which was also a Goodwill find. So that is my place setting for this tablescape on Tuesday. And as you can see, again, it's beautiful and very budget friendly. So as I've told you before, you do not have to spend a lot to make it beautiful. Just stop and check your sales. You can check your thrift stores, and you can easily put together a beautiful place setting without busting your budget. Again, I want to thank the design family for coming along with me. Without you, I could not do this. I think we are 7 away from reaching that 1,500. So you know we're going to have another giveaway. Again, thank you to Anna and Emma Stunts Adventures for hosting Tablescape on Tuesday. And this is Emma. I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.